Hello friend, in this lecture we will discuss on the paragraph element in HTML. So friend, let's start. The paragraph element is used to create a new paragraph on a web page. Now whenever our requirement is to create a paragraph on a web page, we will use this paragraph element in HTML. The paragraph element in HTML has an opening paragraph tag and the closing paragraph tag is optional because we know that the paragraph will automatically ends when we start a new paragraph. But it is always better to have both the opening paragraph tag and also the closing paragraph tag because there are certain browsers which may not consider the closing paragraph tag as optional. So in all our example, we will always use both the opening paragraph tag and also the closing paragraph tag. And in between this opening paragraph tag and the closing paragraph tag, we will write the word or the content that we want to show in a paragraph. The paragraph element is an example of the block level element. The number of lines within this paragraph element will depend on the size of the web browser. And when we resize the browser window, the number of lines in a paragraph might change depending on the length of the content inside this paragraph element. Now let me quickly show you a sample code snippet where we have used a paragraph element. Now in this sample example, we have used two paragraph elements. In the first paragraph element, we have the content as hello all, my name is Paul and I'll be your trainer for mastering HTML. I'll make sure to make you an expert in HTML by the end of this course. And in the second paragraph, the content is by the end of this course, you'll know everything on the latest version of HTML. So let's begin our course on mastering HTML. Now here one more extra thing we have done in the second paragraph element is that we have set the style attribute with a value as background color aqua. Now when we run this code in a browser, it will appear as shown here. Now in the normal browser mode, when the browser resolution is set to 100%, all the content in both of this paragraph might appear in a single line as shown it here. Now, what will happen when we reduce or decrease the size of the browser resolution? The web page in that case might look something different. For example, here the content of the first paragraph is split into 3 lines, whereas the content of the second paragraph is split into 2 lines. This clearly tells that the number of lines in a paragraph depends on the browser resolution or in the desktop resolution or even on the browser size. Now, if we notice in both the screenshot, we can see that the background for the second paragraph element is set as aqua. This is because we have set the style attribute with the background color as aqua. And also this aqua color has occupied the entire background of the paragraph, which means it is a block level element because block level element occupies the entire space that is assigned to that element. That is, it starts from the extreme left and it went to the extreme right, thus making the background color of the whole paragraph as aqua. I hope you got a basic understanding on what is this paragraph element in HTML is. Now let me go into the HTML editor and run a sample code to show you how exactly this number of line changes when we increase or decrease the browser resolution or when we decrease or increase the size of the browser. Now in the HTML editor, I have a program called paragraph element demo. Now within the body element, we have two paragraphs. In the first paragraph, this is the content, and in the second paragraph, this is the content. Also, I have set the style property with the background color as aqua for the second paragraph. Now let me save this and right click to open in a default browser. When the above code is rendered in a browser, we can see there is only one line getting displayed for both the paragraph. Now let's increase the browser resolution. So in this case, we can see the number of line for each paragraph is getting increased. Now let's decrease the resolution and make it to 100%. So this says that with the browser resolution, the number of line of a paragraph gets changed. Also, the background color has occupied the entire line starting from extreme left to the extreme right. Now let us do another thing. Let us decrease the browser size. Now when we decrease the browser size, we can see that the number of line also get changed. As we keep on increasing the browser size or the browser window size, the number of line gets increased. So this is about the paragraph element in HTML. Thank you for watching.